Hi students, now let us see an example on logical operators. What are the different logical operators we have? We have three logical operators. One is the AND, second one is the OR, and third one is the NOT. These three are logical operators. So what is the purpose of it? When I would like to combine the more than one condition, then I can use logical AND or logical OR, and NOT is opposite to the current action. So like here, I have the condition 1 here, I have condition 2. How do I combine these two conditions? I can connect these with the help of the AND or OR. So in the AND operation, so if true, true, in the AND operation and the logical OR operation, if both the expression, nothing but a two or more number of all expressions are true, then result is the true. So true, false, 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 true, false, 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 false. Whereas in the logical OR, if any one of the expression is the true, so it is the true, then this is the true, this is the true, both are false, so it is the false. That's the difference between the logical and non-logical OR. So here 5 greater than true, this is the true, and 5 greater than 3, this is the true. So my result will be here true. Okay. So when I use the logical OR, if any one is the true, so here it is also true. Then not. So not of true is nothing but a false. So 5 means this is not 0, so it is the true. So if it is the true means I get the result as false. And 0 means false. False is nothing but a not of false is true. And 5 greater than true, this is the true. But when I use that not here, my result is false. So like this, I can use the logical operators to combine more than one condition. See here.